What's up, guys? Joe the Car Guy here, and today we're doing a Cooking with Joe video because those videos seem to get views. We're making a pulled pork bagel. What you're going to need for this is cheese, pulled pork, bagels, and 2 types of barbecue sauce. I'll make it here. Let me get a plate first. And then we're going to put it in the microwave, and then we're going to enjoy. Alright, so step 1. Get a bagel. Doesn't matter on type of bagel. I use a plain bagel because why the hell not? And you're just gonna want to try to rip it open. Try, keyword, like that. All right, now you're gonna want to reseal the bag. Unless George wants one.
I'm good.
All right. He's my brother, by the way.
Go subscribe to George
Don't
Wonderland.
get any weird ideas, viewers.
Go subscribe to
No,
George
don't.
Wonderland. My channel will be linked down below.
It will not.
Go subscribe.
Don't subscribe.
Go subscribe.
What you're gonna want to do next is put the pulled pork on the bagel. Pretty good. It's just like that. Put it on the wrong side. No, I didn't. Why am I doing this, George?
I don't know.
Oh, it's because it gets views, that's why. And then you're going to take either barbecue sauce, doesn't really matter.
Why aren't you showing your face in the video?
What's up, guys? And then you want to take this barbecue sauce. I'm so tall, it's hard to film these types of videos. Alright, and the last thing you guys want to do is get any kind of cheese you like. I like the Monterey Jack cheese. Maybe we'll do dual cheese, bro. Just kidding, we're not that fat. We're fat, but we're not that fat. Cameraman, if you want to follow me over to the microwave, you're going to want to put this in for like 30 seconds. Alright, so we're done. Looks pretty good. Honestly, but we got to take the first bite. Here we go. You eat it just like a sandwich. That was pretty good. Alright, guys. If you like this video, give me a huge thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to see another one of these Cooking with Joe videos. Maybe I'll make one. Maybe I won't. And if you're new here, subscribe. Till next time. Peace. I just flipped off. Sorry for flipping you guys.